Hi, hello. My name is Masika. I'm going to take you through the SAS. In the first tutorial, I'm going to show you where to start when you have downloaded the application. So I'll be using my phone, but I'm mirroring on the screen so that you can be able to see what I'm seeing on my phone. So this is a window that you are able to see when you download the application. So what is required here is for you to enter your mobile number in international format. So I'll put there my number. Now, this number starts with 254. That's the country code for Kenya. So that way we expect you to put your country code without the plus sign. Then you write the number there. So I'll say sign in. What the system will do is that it will send a one-time password, which is sent on your phone as text message and also on the email address you gave out. So I'll just check through I'm waiting for my validation email to come. So my code has arrived. My code validation code is 65 something something. Don't worry, yours will come different, it'll never be the same. So that one should not worry you. So I'll write mine. The code for now is 6599. So I'll write it as 6599 and I say verify. So it will check through the data and find who I am. If everything goes correctly, you'll get to the home screen. If it doesn't, it means either the number you've been giving is not the one that was officially brought in by your club administrators when they were signing you in. So once you see this, it means that you are ready to use the application. There will be menus here, welcome information here. If you are a director, you will see this by club. If you are not a director, you will not be able to see this. So kindly just know that my club will only be seen if you are a director of the club. If you are not, you will not see it. So that's the end of the first tutorial, how to sign yourself in into the application. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.